Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel and welcome to my fourth relaxed hair update. I was actually kind of reluctant, or not, I shouldn't say reluctant, maybe a little hesitant to film this video because to be honest with you, from my last update to this current update that I'm filming, I have not been the most proud of my hair, and yeah, it's definitely been a struggle. So let's get into how the last 4 months have been. So from my May relaxer to September relaxer, I stretched for 16 weeks or 4 months, and that honestly felt like the longest 4 months of my life. I don't think that I will be stretching so long again. The reason being is I tried to stretch longer so I could have relaxed my hair closer to my birthday, and I really honestly think that was a mistake. I should have just relaxed at 14 weeks or 15 weeks and then just gone back to get my hair done for my birthday, because I really put my hair under a lot of pressure and strain. During those 4 months as well, I don't know what happened. I guess I just fell off of the whole hair care, my whole hair care routine and regimen, and I was just extremely lazy and honestly slack with my hair care, and it really began to show in my hair. I experienced when I say a good bit of breakage, like the short pieces all throughout my hair on both sides of my hair. Every time I would detangle my hair or even brush my hair, there was just tiny little chips and bits on the ground, and I knew like that was not a good sign. And even when I went to relax my hair, my stylist said, "You never had this much breakage before," and I knew that was just a really bad sign. And I guess it's just because like I really was not consistent with my hair care routine that I usually do, and also I was using a product. I will insert a picture for you guys to see what product I'm talking about. It was a moisturizer from ORS, and I think that really caused my setback. So this moisturizer has petrolatum in it, which is obviously petroleum based, and I'm skeptical, and I usually don't use products with any petrolatum, any petroleum or anything like that in my hair, but I had it there. It was in my stash. My previous moisturizer, which was the TGIN hair butter, I think, that finished, and I just literally had the moisturizer there. So I was like, you know what, let me try to use this up, and that is where I went wrong. Y'all, that product was not moisturizing my hair. It was literally just sitting on top of my hair and forming a barrier. So the more I put the product on, is the more the barrier would like form on my hair, and no moisture was getting through at all. Like I could moisturize in the morning and the next morning my hair was dry again, and I should have picked up on it sooner, and I picked up on it too late, and I was already too far gone. My hair was dry, my hair was breaking. It was a mess. It was a hot mess. So I went out and I bought a product that I am familiar with, and that is the Miel Avocado Hair Milk. I used that a couple months back, and my hair really likes that. It is a heavy product, so I need to be careful when I'm using it because my hair can get weighed down if I use it too much. But honestly, that is a moisturizer, and I would always recommend that product because it's very, very moisturizing. And at the late stage that my hair was, it did help, and it did save some of my strands from breaking off even further. And yeah, so that was that. I was just not consistent, using bad products and literally going against everything that I usually say in my videos and what I recommend, and it led to a lot of breakage. My relaxer day went well. I think that it goes as well as it usually does. My hairstylist Philly always does an amazing job. She always asks me how my hair is going and make recommendations, and she did see the breakage that my hair was experiencing, and we did take about 2 inches off of my hair because my hair just was in that bad of a state and it needed a more drastic trim than I usually do, but I was all for it. I just wanted my hair to be in a better place, a better position, and I did not mind cutting off maybe a little more than I usually would. And I also needed to cut more because of the damage that my hair was experiencing. So we relaxed, shampooed, treated, flat iron, blow dry, the whole shebang, shazazz, everything that we usually do, and then we trimmed my hair. And it did hurt a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. It did hurt and pinch just a little bit seeing so much of my hair on the floor, but it needed to go. For the sake and health of my hair, it needed to go. And we did talk about moving forward the next couple of months, what I should be doing and how I should be going about my hair care, just so that I don't end up how I was a few months ago, and that is making a few changes to my routine. So moving forward, I have decided to change my routine a bit. I'm going to be doing I'm going to be doing different things in a 4-week cycle. So the first week, I'm going to be doing a clarifying shampoo and protein treatment, light protein treatment. In the second week, I'm going to be doing a moisturizing shampoo and regular condition, no treatment, no deep condition, nothing, just shampoo, condition, and out. And the third week, I'm going to be doing a clarifying shampoo and moisture treatment. And the fourth week, I'm going to be repeating my moisturizing shampoo and condition. This is to bring some balance back into my hair. My stylist recommended this as well. She recommended cutting back on the moisture treatments a little bit because you guys know previously I used to do 1 week clarifying and protein treatments, and then the remaining 3 weeks I would be doing a moisture treatment. She said that the breakage could be because I'm maybe using too much moisture in my hair, and then obviously using bad products that is just a disaster in the making. So she recommended scaling back on the moisture treatments, just doing 2 treatments a month and then shampooing and condition like normal for the remainder of the month. So I'm going to try that out and see how that goes. I am definitely really heavily contemplating trying Olaplex because I know there is some good reviews from Olaplex, and I would really love to see how my hair responds to it, given that it's in this state where it needs to be nourished back to health, to the state that I am accustomed to being to. So definitely heavily contemplating that, and I think that's about it. I am not using that ORS moisturizer anymore. Literally going into the bin, not even going to bother recommending it to anybody because I don't recommend it to anybody, and it was my mistake for using a product that I knew contained ingredients that I don't agree with. And now I'm definitely on the hunt for more products that are going to be very nourishing and beneficial to my hair. So if you guys have any recommendations, shampoos, conditioners, moisturizers, please leave them in the comments because I'm on the hunt again. I need to find new products, and I'm excited to be a little product junkie just a little bit and see what I can find. Now let's get into my comparison pictures. This is like one of my favorite parts of Relaxed Hair Updates, is seeing the progress that my hair has made from my May relaxer to my September relaxer. I do see a little difference. I'm not gonna lie, even though I did cut 2 inches off, I do see a difference, and it does look a little bit more full and even and healthy, even though I did go through a big ordeal, and I'm very proud of that. Must say, I am always proud of something in my Relaxed Hair Updates, and I'm proud that my hair is able to consistently show growth and progression. And yeah, so it shows that even though I do have months where I'm not as consistent, my hair is still able to bounce back, and proud of myself for that. I'm proud of myself also for picking up on the mistakes and stuff and fixing it. That's also something that I'm proud of. So as you guys can see, my pictures show my progression. So I'm going to stop talking now and get into the pictures. All I'm saying. yeah guys, so this brings me to the end of my fourth relaxed hair update. Let me know how you guys are doing, how your hair journey is going. If you just happen to stumble on this video, are you on a hair journey, how that's been doing? Update me in the comments and let's start a conversation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah.